Daddy's coming home. Daddy'll be there in a minute. Daddy be there in a minute.
Got one of those pretzel things over.
Dude, she fucking done put her head in a fucking bucket getting treats and she's fucking suffocating in it. She can't get it off.
Can you tell right now?
Yes, yes, she's suffocating, dude. Oh my god. Look. Look. She's suffocating, bro. My dog is suffocating. Oh my god, dude. She's suffocating, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Daddy's coming home, baby. Daddy be home in a minute. Oh my god, my dog is fucking got his head stuck. Daddy's coming home, Bailey. Oh my god, look at her, dude. Look. Look. She's got the fucking thing stuck on her fucking head right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's enough around her neck.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, the dog can't breathe, dude. The dog can't breathe.
Is she standing up right now?
Dude, she's gonna pass out. She's hyperventilating, dude. Hurry up, for real. Oh my god. Daddy's coming home. Lay down, girl. Lay down, Daddy's coming. Lay down, Daddy's coming. Daddy be home in a minute. Alright, Daddy be home in a minute. Lay down. She's gonna pass out, dude. Oh my god. Hold on, let me call my neighbor. Oh god. Oh my god.
There should be enough around your neck there where she's not got it down where she can get air.
was detected at your driveway.